Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So what we have today here is Toyota Wish, and as you can see, this car has no acceleration. You can hear so many misfire, and the current complained of loss of power and overconsumption. So after diagnosis, we found out that it had an ignited circuit. This is a code that is very tricky sometimes to treat. So we went down to diagnose and troubleshoot the root cause for this, and we were able to manage fix this issue. So this video I'm showing you here, this was the part before we made it or we fixed the whole issue, and after that fixing the car was good. Check on loose connection and also faulty ignition coils, and you'll be good to go. So after that, the car was fine and the client left happy. Thank you.